Hello, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the Common Sense Crypto channel. As with you always, this is Rich doing another video today on Casper. So I hope you're all having a wonderful day today, wherever you are in this great, great world. We're going to talk about Casper. I want to start with this. Uphold Inc. I want my XDC and Casper. Now, I used to love Uphold because it was the only place I could buy XRP at one point. But then I got into HBAR and Casper, and I realized there's lockup periods. I believe they lifted the HBAR lockup periods now, but the Casper lockup periods are still there. That's exactly why I switched to MEXC, because there is no lockup period, and I don't want to store my crypto on an exchange at a time like this. Think about it. What if Uphold has financial issues? All of a sudden, my crypto is gone. I want to be able to buy it and then instantly move it to cold storage. If you're interested in MEXC, I have a link below. I never promote anything on this channel, but I believe in MEXC. I've never had one single issue with them. So utility, enterprise grade blockchain, where the network enables businesses to easily develop and implement efficient, highly secure, and future-proof blockchain solutions. Reminds me of Casper, NFT, video games, supply chain, ticketing, etc., etc. Casper is designed to accelerate not just developer adoption of blockchain technology, but also enterprise adoption. They want to lead large corporations into cryptocurrencies and lead the next wave of blockchain adoption. And that's how you get crypto to go mainstream, mass adoption throughout the world, big enterprises coming on board. That's Casper's vision on where they move in the future. The Casper Network is a decentralized Layer 1 proof-of-stake blockchain built off the Casper CBC specification, designed for real-world speed and security with very low and sustainable energy usage. It's all going to come down to energy usage also. Regulations are coming. They're going to have regulations in there that where if your crypto isn't green, it will be gone. Casper will still be around when regulations come. The Casper blockchain is built for developers to get one step ahead in accessibility, upgradability, and scalability. Casper will change the way projects are coded. It will allow developers to build on their blockchain using any computer language. That's also very important. If an enterprise wants to come on board, they want it to be easy. They also they don't want to retrain people to move it forward. If they could use any language, any computer language, they're going to be more interested than if they have to change things. Smart contract deployed on Casper blockchain can be changed to any new agreement made by the parties involved with the smart contract. Casper allows developers the flexibility to add new features or remove any bugs from the on-chain code. This means enduring and innovation. People don't want complications. Anytime you're dealing with big business, the first thing they will always ask, is this going to be complicated? And if you say no, then most likely they will get on board. Casper has been built so that enterprise and projects of any size may choose between the public network, a private instance, or a hybrid solution with low and predictable cost. Again, if it's cheap, people will want it. Plus, the hybrid solution is great. That's the one thing I truly love about Casper. A recent video sent to me from Jay Fexon, posted by Lancinio, shows Myrnal Monohar. I always get that name messed up. I'm just going to say Marino from here on out, CEO of Casper Labs, talking about how Casper can be used in the future by enterprises. See, that's his vision. That's what he wants. People always complain that the price isn't moving on Casper, but what you got to understand is we're still very early, and that's the case with all of crypto. Until the world becomes fully digitalized, we're still early. The prices are very cheap. These are the times you buy. It's like you're buying Amazon while it's still in the garage at this point. But again, with Casper, we are going to get announcements of enterprises building with them. Tim Draper, an early investor in projects such as Tesla, Twitter, and Twitch, stated Casper Labs has built an essential blockchain platform for real-world applications without sacrificing the essential components of usability, cost, decentralization, or security. And again, that's another big thing for enterprise. They want that security. They don't want to have any security issues moving forward. Casper Consensus works with validators that are responsible for maintaining platform security. This is done through building an ever-growing chain of finalized blocks, backing this chain's security with their stakes. Validators also play a vital role in the consensus layer, since protocol operation includes the construction and validation of new blocks, consisting of deploys that change the global state, which the validators also maintain. Transaction fees are charges for gas use, ensure that the users compensate validators for performing their computations, which is also part of the incentive to ensure the network. Without getting all technical, Casper is looking to do great things. Now let's see where it all takes us. And again, I wanted to share this thread with you because it shows exactly what Casper wants to do moving ahead. I still believe Casper is going to be part of that new financial system through IBM. A lot of people still argue that point, but you got to understand Casper has the ability to change in many ways. That's what's great about it. That whole hybrid ability is incredible. On top of that, like I said, we're still early. When the price really starts to take off, we're going to see the true value of Casper. Right now, I think we're seeing a very undervalued Casper. So whether you're building dApps, creating NFTs, or are part of our vibrant community, thank you for continuing to choose Casper, blockchain for the builders. They also are looking for all the builders in the world, not just a handful. They want everyone to come and build with them. You know, some blockchains think small. They look for one big business to get on board. Casper wants all of the big businesses, and I believe they have the ability to get there. The network is great. And here's the other thing. It's a well-rounded cryptocurrency. It's tied to so many things. It's going to be a powerhouse as far as Web3. Ethereum is outdated. I believe Casper is definitely Ethereum 3.0. Ethereum, in my opinion, here's how I look at it. You have people that have been using Ethereum for a long period of time. They're used to all of those fees, so they don't mind the fees. But if something better comes along that doesn't have the fees, they will definitely jump on board. Now, new investors, they don't want to pay fees, period. If you talk to somebody about certain cryptocurrencies, if they have to pay Ethereum fees, they don't want it, period. On top of that, I do believe Gary Gensler from the SEC is also looking at Ethereum. I think if he loses that Ripple case, he's going to look at Ethereum for an easy win. You've heard it. It's hard to create a Web3 NFT app from scratch. It's not if you start with a good example. We recommend checking the templates project we've made on the base of Casper taggers for Casper Network, the friendly ecosystem. Again, if you make something easy, people will definitely use it. Complicated anymore in the world just doesn't work. And now we're starting to see a lot happen with all the other ISO coins the same way. They're making it easy now. You could actually cut out the exchange and buy directly using apps on your phone. You could buy crypto that way. Because as technology moves forward, it's going to get easier and easier. But here's the other thing you got to remember. Like I said, I know Casper is going to be part of that new financial system. The fourth industrial revolution is right around the corner. We're already in the beginning, early stages of it. As the world goes digital and everything becomes tokenized, you want to jump on board with utility. You also want to get on board with the networks that make it easy to build. Because guess what? A lot of people are still on the sidelines waiting to come over to crypto. There's so many enterprises throughout the world that haven't even looked at crypto yet. When they start looking at it, I believe a lot of them will be looking very hard at Casper. And again, I believe from where we're sitting right now, when we do finally get a run up, it's going to be at least a 30 to 50x from where we're sitting right now. With that said, I'm going to wrap up today's video. I want to thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Have a great night.